In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom footer in Wix. This tutorial is perfect for those of you looking to personalize your website by adding that final touch at the bottom of your pages. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website editor. You can do this by logging into your Wix account and selecting the website you want to edit. The editor is where all the magic happens. It's your centralized hub for designing and modifying your site. Once you're there, look towards the left-hand side of the screen for the Pages menu. This menu gives you access to all the pages that make up your website. Now, click on Manage Pages. This section allows you to view all your existing pages and make changes to them. You can think of this step as organizing your workspace, preparing to make the necessary modifications. Next, select the specific page where you'd like to add the custom footer. It could be your home page, contact page, or any other page that you believe should have that tailored look. Choosing the right page is crucial, as a well-placed footer provides the visitor with easy navigation or additional information they might need. After selecting your page, click on Settings. This option is typically found by hovering over the page you've selected. Within the settings, you'll find a range of options designed to customize your page layout and style, setting the stage for the custom footer we're about to add. Following that, locate the Layout tab within the settings. This is where you control the arrangement of various sections within your page. Here, you'll need to navigate to the Standard option. This option ensures that your footer will appear as a standard section at the bottom of your page, maintaining consistency across your site. Now, close the Settings tab. Close with care to ensure you return to the editor without losing any changes you've made thus far. When you return to the page, you'll notice that the footer is now visible at the bottom, confirming that the layout adjustment was successful. To further enhance the footer's appearance, click on Change Footer Design. From here, you can modify elements like fill color and opacity. These adjustments allow you to match the footer's visual style with the rest of your website's design. Finally, you'll land in an area with a plethora of additional settings and options for your footer. Feel free to explore these to give your footer that personal touch. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, be sure to close the settings and save your changes. Saving frequently is always a good practice to prevent any losses. And just like that, you've added a custom footer to your Wix website, giving it a more polished and complete look. I hope this tutorial helps you create a more engaging and user-friendly website. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!